Hey YouTubers, here's a quick and simple solution for anyone that has an office chair, any kind of office chair or anything similar to this that has the rod sticking out at the bottom of the where the wheels are there. Excuse the kitty, he doesn't want to get out of the way. But anyway, I just repaired it, and I think probably the quickest and simplest solution is to just take this off from the chair, like undo it all, and then I just put a regular plumber's clamp in there. I just turn this around. There. You can torque on those things pretty good, and if you're not super heavy, maybe it'll last a while. I'm almost 300 and it didn't collapse on me. So, and the nice thing is for this one, and get the right size, you can cover it with this beauty cover here, so nobody will ever know. Reason it falls through for this in this chair is underneath the plastic started separating and then it just fell right through. But anyway, I'm going to give this a try, and I can report back later and let you know how it lasted. This is day one, so we'll see where it goes from here. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you wish. All right, take care.